Today we're going to take a look at what's been happening with Polygon Matic. First of all, we saw a pullback in the crypto markets. Bitcoin surpassed the $25,000 price, and then we saw a pullback to around $21,500. The reason that this has happened isn't entirely clear or pointed to just one reason. It's many different factors that have contributed to this pullback. And of course, a pullback in Bitcoin's price has obviously impacted the rest of the altcoin market, and in particular Polygon Matic, which saw sustained rallies across the last month. And before we jump into this video, guys, check out my BitGet affiliate link down below. It would really help my channel if you use my link, as I would receive some commission for this, and it would help keep my channel running. As you can see, across the month of August, we saw a sustained rally for Polygon Matic's price. This was after the announcement of Disney choosing Polygon Matic as part of their accelerator program. Now, since then, we have seen some pullbacks, and this was particularly exacerbated around the 17th of August, and that was this last Wednesday. Now, one of the reasons this has happened is because the Federal Reserve released a note on Wednesday, once they had a meeting, that they will still continue rising interest rates until inflation is under control. Naturally, the crypto market did not react well to this, and we saw some price downfalls, and now we are trading sideways. On top of that, you guys know that Polygon Matic is an Ethereum scaling solution. Now, recently, Ethereum was impacted by the US government sanctioning Tornado Cash, which is a smart contract deployed on the Ethereum blockchain that is a crypto mixer. Now, the issue with Tornado Cash is that a lot of people were using it to launder money, and the US government therefore sanctioned it. Now, this is a great thing that the US government has sanctioned Tornado Cash, but it has caused havoc in the crypto industry. Now, based on the graph, I do believe we will see some further downward trajectory until we see some reassurance in the markets. And this could be through a successful Ethereum merge, because we'll see confidence return back into the markets. I do believe that Polygon Matic could fall to almost 70 cents in the next few days as the markets continue to pull back. And it seems like we are having a descending triangle pattern, which is a bit of a bearish pattern. Now, this is by no means where I think Polygon Matic's price will be going in the long run, but I will be buying in some of these dip points, because I do believe later on, as the markets recover, once the Federal Reserve stop hiking interest rates and we see better regulations in the crypto markets, I do believe that Polygon Matic can increase to way past its previous all-time high. But we might need to brace ourselves for a bit of a crypto winter towards the end of 2022. It could be possible that it starts rallying towards the end, but I do see this as a bit of an opportunity, because this is the time we can get our favorite altcoins at discounted prices. But in light of the Ethereum merge towards the end of September, we may see some short-term rallies. But these long-term rallies where we see all-time highs will not be taking place until the entire global macroeconomic sentiment improves. And that means when inflation is under control, geopolitical crises calm down, and we see better commodity prices and just overall better regulations and the right breeding ground for a new bull run. We do, however, have some good news, and this is very good news when we enter a bearish sentiment. Well, crypto exchange Gemini has rolled out staking for Polygon Matic, and it is supporting other top altcoins soon as well. The exchange is making Polygon staking available to its customers in the United States, excluding New York, Hong Kong, and Singapore, per a new announcement. As you know, staking is a great way to earn passive income, and many crypto holders tend to use this method during bearish times to help mitigate some of their losses so that they earn passive income, which sort of acts as a bit of a buffer when they see price falls that impact their overall portfolio. And I do believe that many users are very bullish on Polygon Matic in the long run. I know I am. I just think right now the crypto market sentiment is not in its favor, but it could be depending on how the macroeconomic sentiment goes. In fact, after the crash we saw with Terra Luna, a lot of the projects from the Terra ecosystem before there was Terra 2.0, so the Terra Classic ecosystem, have been shifting over to Polygon Matic. So the number of dApps being built, the number of use cases coming to Polygon Matic, the number of global industries that are choosing Polygon Matic as their cryptocurrency blockchain of choice is growing rapidly. Just because the market currently doesn't support the price rallies doesn't mean that the fundamentals have changed. In fact, I see price falls as a bit of an opportunity. But remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!